Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Stefano Scoglio and I'd like to talk to you about the Immune Kit by Nutrigea. Everybody talks about the role of vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin D or substances like echinacea in supporting the immune system, especially these days when we are faced with very important immune challenges. They are good products because they actually strengthen our immune cells. And you can actually find them in a product, in their better version, in the product Multinatural, where they're actually present in their organic, natural form, extracted from food. But the problem, the limitation of this approach through vitamins or echinacea is that you actually strengthen the immune cells. It's like you give the immune system better weapons, but they can still stay within the barracks. They don't necessarily go out to fight. And here you have Clam Extra. Clam Extra does the same things that vitamin C, vitamin D do, in the sense that of strengthening the immune system, give them better weapons, but actually push the most important immune cells, the avant-garde of our immune army, T cells, B cells, natural killer cells, out of the bone marrow and into tissues and organs to fight pathogens and infected cells. And does that actually for a period of 4-6 hours, which means that if you take Clam Extra 3 times a day at a distance of 6-8 hours each time, you have a coverage of immune activation and immune strengthening for 24 hours. With one great advantage, which usually when you stimulate the immune system, you can have excessive inflammation, which can be good for people, can be bad, for people with autoimmune disease. But in this case, what is amazing is that you have the better and highest and strongest stimulation of the immune system while diminishing inflammation. It's like these cells, while before they were shooting with a machine gun, killing not only the pathogens, but also the healthy cells around them, now they've actually learned to shoot with a precision gun, and so this actually product is perfect also for people with autoimmune disease. Finally, you can complete the immune kit by adding the immortal probiotics contained in NutriFlora. And they call them immortal probiotics because we discovered that if you grow them on the base of Klamath algae or its extract, Afamax, not only they keep growing for a long time, becoming sort of immortal, but they triple their ability to kill pathogens. And this is very important to maintain a very healthy microbiota, intestinal flora, and so be able to stop any pathogens coming in, because that's the door through which pathogens come in, the gastrointestinal system. So this is a immunokit from Nutrigea, includes all these different products, and so it's able to give like a complete coverage in terms of responding to an immune challenge. I just want to add that for those who had the problem of constipation, which is a problem because it keeps toxins inside the body and so creates an environment that is good for the growth of pathogens, you can use you can add the product Nutricol, which actually resolves in a natural way without being a laxative all sorts of constipation while strengthening your intestinal flora. So Immunokit by Nutrigea, it's really the best answer you can give to the current immune challenges.